these are my pork. I'm gonna jerk some pork for my husband Father's Day, which is actually tomorrow, but I am pre-seasoning the pork because I want it sweet to the bone. I should have seasoned it from before. Alright, so guys, I'm just washing it with some water. I already went ahead and washed it with some vinegar. I'm just finishing it off with some plain water. Guys, this is my rub that I made for the pork. I am going to insert the video right here, or I'm going to put a link as to how I made my jerk sauce. I'm going to use all of it, guys. You can use your Walker's Wood jerk sauce or a jerk sauce of your choice, but this is my jerk sauce. I made it from scratch, guys. It is not sauce, my jerk rub, and I made it from scratch, guys. And there's nothing better than something that you make yourself, because you know every single ingredients in there. So guys, I'm just rubbing the season in, or rather the rub in. I might make a little bit more and add to it, I'm not sure yet, but for now just marinating it using my treasure hand jerk rub. There's 3 whole pepper in this, Scotch Bonnet pepper, and the pepper hat. Let me tell you just that. So the seasoning that I'm putting on this is Easy Spice. I would prefer pork seasoning. So guys, if you have pork seasoning, use pork seasoning. If I don't have any, so I have to go with all-purpose. So I'm putting 2 all-purpose and 1 meat seasoning. Smallest sachet of seasoning is about a tablespoon. So in addition to the 2 sachets of Easy Spice, just add a little Maggi. I'm gonna rub it in, guys. It walk up sweet like sugar. Oh my god, it's looking good already. Wanna make love to your pork. I know that there's a lot of pork lovers out there. Some not so much, but I love some good pork, guys. Just massage it in and leave it to marinate. Guys, it's like sweet like sugar. I'm gonna show you tomorrow, Father's Day, what I do to this now. So I'm gonna just cover it up with a saran wrap and allow it to marinate overnight, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. It's quite easy, you know, guys. Oven jerk pork, very easy. So this is what it's looking like, guys. So guys, this is what the pork is looking like, guys. This has been marinating overnight, nearly 24 hours. It's now Father's Day, and I'm gonna be making some jerk pork, guys. I made additional, I showed you in the clip before the amount of sauce that I put on the pork. I also added just a little bit more. I made some additional sauce because I want it to be well marinated, and you know, I put it on the pork. So guys, it's very beautiful. I'm going to be putting this now in the oven for 1 hour, and then I'm going to check back on it, right? And then I'm going to show you the secret ingredient that I put in my pork to just take it over the top, guys. So this amount of pork is going to get a total of 2 hours, but I'll be checking back on my pork an hour. See. So guys, this is what the pork is looking like after an hour. I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm gonna turn the pork so the other side can catch some color too. other side need to catch color. Ooh. Turn it. Gonna fix that shortly. Gonna be adding some extra sauce. Throw it on there. You know, bass this side. Extra sauce. Gonna check this back within 45 minutes. It needs a total of 2 hours, but I'm gonna check it back within 45 minutes and see what. I'm gonna add my secret ingredients, and guys, this is some white rum. It's gonna be cooked out, so you're not gonna taste it, guys. Trust me. If you have red stripe beer, you can use the beer as well. But I'm using the rum, and guys, it's nice. Trust me. Just use two cartful. I'm gonna put it back now so this side can get some color. Alright, be back in a few. So guys, this is what the pork is looking like 2 hours later. Guys, it's beautiful, it's delicious, it's nice, it's succulent. I'm gonna be making some pork sauce to eat with the pork, but as you can see, guys, it's beautiful, it's soft, and it's delicious. So guys, this is the finished product. This is my oven jerk pork. Guys, it's delicious. Guys, I'm excited because it's delicious. Guys, just look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful, guys, and it's soft and it's succulent, and you know, a real jerk. You can do it yourself. But if you taste this jerk pork, people, when you go out and you buy pan jerk pork, you know, say foolishness them I sell, you know. Guys, this is delicious. Just trust me. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button down below. Bye, guys.